and Birakaya in Telangana and Pichinga in Kerala. I don't know by the name, boosting the immunity. And another very, very, very important thing to you all. Hi, hello, how are you, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make rich gourd chutney. So if you guys have been following me in FB or Insta, you would have already got the teaser kind of a thing about what I'm going to do today. So if you haven't already, please do follow me in FB and Insta, and I have put the link in the description box below. So today's video is really special for me because I'm shooting everything in a tripod stand. So I've been getting a lot of videos that my videos are a little shaky and I should stop shaking it so much. It's getting a little disturbing. I've been listening to you all and I decided to buy a tripod stand. Yay! So if this video turns out well and you guys will be able to enjoy without the shakiness, if you are able to, please don't forget to comment below. So before we get started, I just want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Before I start off the video, I just want to tell you guys, why am I, or any other YouTuber for that matter, asking for subscriptions, especially the new ones? We do ask for subscriptions because you all do this because out of we are passionate towards this, but not just that. Not only that, because we might want to have some output out of it. We want you guys to enjoy our videos as well, but apart from that, YouTubers like us, we need subscriptions. I need to get at least 1,000 subscribers to start making money out of it. So guys, please help me reach that mark soon, so that I will be able to upload more and more interesting content with more and more interesting sets, so that you can I can make it more enjoyable to you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So before we get started into the cooking section of the video, I just want to tell you guys, I don't know, I was not familiar about the name Rich Gourd. This is how I've already shown you guys. If you want to see this closer, this is how it looks like. So I have taken half a portion of this. This is not the complete vegetable. I have taken half a portion of it to make the chutney. So what is the vegetable that is used all over India? It is used in North India, South India. I have written a few fun facts that I would want to share with you guys. When I was searching for the name Rich Gourd, I was not able to find anything. So it was a name called Loofah was popping up. Familiar to you all. I'm not sure if it was familiar to you all, but it wasn't familiar to me. So loofah is nothing but a scrubber that we use, a body scrubber, or a scrubber that we use as a dishwasher. That's what is usually called. We call it as a scrubber. Abroad it is called as a. So looks like this vegetable's skin is peeled out, and that skin is being used as a scrubber. You know that it's a fun fact for me. It is a scrubber. So that's one fun fact for you. Apart from that, this vegetable is known as gilki in Hindi, pirkangai in Tamil, and birakaya in Telangana, and pichinga in Kerala. I don't know by the name Rich Gourd. You might be able to familiarize it with the names that I am telling you now, right? So this is the tika chutney or birakaya chutney. So pichinga, chamandi, or pirkinga chutney, you can call it by any name you want. And let me talk about some nutrition facts about this vegetable. It is rich in vitamin C, it is rich in riboflavin, magnesium. It helps in boosting the immunity. And another very, very, very important thing to you all, it helps in losing weight. Yes, it can be incorporated if you are following any healthy diet for losing weight. This vegetable is your key, and you can incorporate it in any form you want. So this chutney is made up of a lot of dals and lentils. So if you're also dieting, then this is a go-to recipe for you, because if you add a little bit lesser oil than I'm adding in this chutney, in this recipe, then it is a go-to recipe for you for a healthy diet. So can we get started? Thank you so much for watching, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe. right? So I really hope you guys would try this out and let me know how it went in the comments below. And I would also like to know in your area or in your region how you guys using this recipe or using this vegetable. So I would like to know that as well. Are you guys using it as a chutney or as a curry or as a steamed vegetable? I would really love to know. So please don't forget to comment below. So please share it across with your friends and do like it, and please stay tuned until I come up with the next video. It's Sai signing off. Bye bye.